Hello again. So in this video we will learn how to make our own pop-up window. We will make a shortcut for it and we will be able to get it out every time we want in order to work faster, of course. So first we want to do is get this transform window out of the way and this one. If you want something of those palettes out of the way, you just drag it to the working area and it's gone. Enable customize and then we'll go to custom UI. So we'll create new menu which will we will name Z custom or most used or whatever you want, but Z custom is cool. So Z custom and press enter. And now it's here. It will go around this area later, but for now it's here. So from here we drag it, we open it and drag it here. So Z custom is here. We want to put some custom subpalettes inside this. So with enable customize activated, we go Control Alt, drag and put here a custom subpalette. You will notice that you cannot rename this subpalette until you put something inside. So first we will put inside the Z-remesher, pretty important and a useful function. Z-remesher, where are you? Okay, here it is. So Z-remesher. Let's Control Alt drag it here. Then we will Control drag keep groups and detect edges, which is a new functionality in Zbrush 2019. And then of course target polygon count, it's very important. And we will rename this by Control Alt click on untitled and rename it Z-remesh. Okay. Next we want to put another subpalette, custom UI, Control Alt drag to the title you drag, not here, because it will go to Z-remesh. We don't want that. We want it to be the title and be separate. So here we'll put Dynamesh, del hidden and other stuff. Where will we find del hidden? I'm not sure where. Maybe in modify topo, yes. Del hidden. And close holes. Pretty important things. Then go to Dynamesh, drag it out here. And yeah, I want it down. Also, I want groups, polish, and that's it. And resolution, of course resolution. And that will be all for our Dynamesh here. And we'll Control Alt click Dynamesh. It's not only Dynamesh, it's del hidden and close holes, but it's basically mostly Dynamesh. So Control Alt drag again to the title. We have another one. We'll put here merge, split, pretty important things. We do it all the time, or we will do it all the time in our tutorial. So split merge down or split hidden. First merge down, I'll put it here, and then our split hidden, it's disabled, but we will put it because we don't have anything hidden in this subtool that we are on. And split unmasked points, we can put split masked points also, but split unmasked points, it's pretty cool, so we'll put it there. And I will Control Alt click and put this like split merge. Oops. Alright. Split merge. You can always rename it, so it's not a problem. Let's go and get another custom subpalette. Go. Okay. And we will place visibility stuff in there. Very important also. We go to display properties. Double and flip are very, very important. We put double here. We put flip here. Double and flip. Shrink and grow also in visibility. Grow and shrink. Double and flip like this. Grow and shrink like this. And we are done with visibility grow. Let's name it. Visibility. Enter. And the last one for now, we can add more if you want, or you can add more if you feel like something is very much needed. You need to have it. That's why it's custom menu, because you customize it. And I've shown you how to customize it, so you can do whatever you want. But in my opinion, from polygroups, we have to put something here. It's pretty important. We just have to put it. And it's first auto groups, then group visible, super important thing, and then group masked. Not so useful, but sometimes we can use it. And that's all. That's our custom menu. We can just drag it here and it's gone. But why have we deleted it? Wow, we don't have our menu now. No, it's here. It's here. I just deleted it from there, but it's not deleted. I just remove it from there. So the menu is here, but we want to be able to achieve this menu. I mean, to reach this menu from shortcut combination. So let's try to do it. Disable customize, store config. We want this menu to be saved, and then Control-Alt-Click and press key combination. If I remove my mouse from there, hotkey operation cancelled. So you have to keep your mouse on this area. Control-Alt-Click and then Control-Alt-Shift-A. This will be my shortcut combination. See? Let's see. Control-Alt-Shift-A. Okay. I can always call my menu and do something. Call my menu and do something. Call it, do something. Pretty useful stuff. So that's it. And one more thing we can put. Let's just close these windows, most of them. Go to deformation, and inflate is pretty useful. But enable customize and inflate. Where are you? Here it is. Inflate. I will put it here in the top, and those a little bit like this. And this here. Inflate is a good idea to have. It's pretty useful. Also, there's another thing that we can use. This is in the light box. Not light box, but light menu. We can move our light from here, and we can get this and put it here. So we can have like better access to it, which is pretty cool. And these menus, let me think. Stroke. Okay, we can change those menus to be smaller here, as you can see. Also the material, I think we can change it to be smaller. Go to M. Oh, no. This is material. Go to material window, material, and just get some like basic material here. Alpha. Also, we can go to alpha and just get this here. And texture. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we can take it with the texture also. So this is a trick with which you can make your menu a little bit smaller and just save space if you want. Next thing is the light. Let's put 4 lights here. And I put them in the order they are here. So okay. Then we put intensity slider here. It will make our menu a little bit bigger, but this is not a real issue. We can use that in our advantage. So we need also the color of the light, ambient, very important, and that's it probably. Maybe we will need one shadow button here. So for example, this light here doesn't have shadow, but we can turn it on and off. So that's it for now for this. But we can do more. We can even go to render window and put, let me see, render fibers and stuff, BPR render pass. Okay, this is composite image we can put here. We can put some stuff. When we render, they will appear here, and it will be very much easier to extract them from here. Those passes, ambient occlusion, mask is important, and depth, yeah, why not? So yeah, well, cool. Let's do a BPR render, and they will appear here, and it will be very magical. BPR render, which is Shift Q. I just made this shortcut, and you can see here those passes. Ambient occlusion is not on, so it's not on, and mask is here, and the depth pass is here. So it's pretty useful, those things here. Alpha, texture, dots, which is the type of brush, a stroke. So I think all is here, and if you want to make your BPR render with Shift Q, by default it's Shift R, I think, you just disable customize, store config, and Control Alt click, and just Shift Q, and it's already there. Yeah. So other thing, let me think. I don't think that I don't think we need anything more for now, but if we do, we can always do it. We can put buttons here from render to. Okay, where's the render window? Go away. Render. Okay, and we can enable shadows and ambient occlusion from here. How? So shadows are here. Oops, I cannot do it because enable customize. Shadows are from here, and ambient occlusion is here. So we can enable ambient occlusion and then render, and then we'll wait a little bit more because ambient occlusion is a little bit slow, and this now will be our ambient occlusion, and it won't be very good ambient occlusion because we have to make some adjustments. I will show you really fast what adjustments you can make. BPR AO, you have to bump up the resolution a lot, like 4K, and now when we render, it will be maybe the same speed, but you will see that the ambient occlusion will be much better quality. Yeah, it's better, believe me. So that's it for now. We have put a lot of effort, but for the combined time of the two videos is less than half an hour. So for half an hour, if you spend just half an hour, you can increase the speed of your workflow immensely. So it's cool. I think those things became very, very packed here, but yeah, why not? It's cool. So customize, store config, and we are good. So when you close ZBrush, you have to know that it will ask you to save changes to ZBrush project, but we don't, and then save changes to startup hotkeys. When you have changed the hotkeys, it will always ask you this question, and if you wanna save it, you have to press yes. So bye and see you in the next video.